Hey you guys, I want to do a quick, just a size comparison of these bags. I want to show you them front to front, bottom to bottom, just to kind of get you a really quick handbag comparison. So when you're looking, you know how they compare to each other, so you know which size might work best for you. And we're going to look at the Carousel, the Scoop, the Shimmy, the Slider, the Hopscotch, and the Moped. So I've got a bunch of them here. I'll try and tell you colors as we're going to, just so that you've got an idea of what's going on with these bags. And we're going to go small to large. So we're going to start here. This is the Carousel. It's in a heather indigo, which is like a denim color. And I want to start by comparing the Carousel with the Scoop, which is in a shimmer black fabrication. You can see a very similar footprint. The Scoop is a little bit larger, plus it has the handle on the top. If we go to the bottom, and you'll have to forgive me, I kind of store them flat so the bottoms do flatten out. The bottoms are also similar, but the Scoop's just a tiny bit bigger, and the bottom doesn't look like it, but it just really, you have to trust me, the Scoop has like an extra inch on the Carousel. So I'm going to put the Carousel down. We'll hang on to the Scoop in shimmer black, and I'll show you the shimmer in brushed blue. You can see the Shimmy in brushed blue is bigger than the Scoop, just a little bit extra height to it. The width is similar, but the Scoop or the Shimmy has a tiny bit more width, and when we put the bottoms together, you can see right there that the Shimmy's got another inch, inch and a half on the Scoop. So down goes the Scoop, hang on to the Shimmy in the brushed blue, and let's pull out the Slider, and this is in the midnight black. So heather gray on top, midnight black on the bottom. These have a very similar shape, really comparable there. Remember that the Shimmy has a water bottle holder, the Slider does not. The bottoms, the Shimmy is, the Shimmy is smaller than the Slider here in terms of width, but the Shimmy has a little bit extra in length over top of what the Slider has. The Slider also has the feet on it. The Shimmy does not. The straps are another big difference here. The Slider has these real petite thin straps, and the Shimmy has much wider ones. Okay, hanging on to the Slider, pulling out the Hopscotch to show you here. There you go. The Hopscotch has it beat in terms of length and width. But let's look at the bottom. That always tells us a little bit more. The depth of the Slider has a little bit more on the bottom. The Slider is like a triangle though, right? The bottom is wider than the top, whereas the Hopscotch is kind of much more square. The top is just as wide as the bottom. But you can see here the Shimmy has a little bit more width, but they're quite comparable where the feet are located. The Hopscotch a little bit bigger than the Slider. Hang on to the Hopscotch, by the way. This is another heather indigo bag. This is the basket quilting on it. And we're going to pull out the heather gray Moped, and you can see that the Moped's a little taller, the Hopscotch is a little bit wider. Let's compare the bottom. The Moped has a little bit extra space in the depth of it, whereas the Hopscotch is a little bit longer. So there you go. The bags comparing from smallest to largest. Let's quick grab the Carousel with the Moped here to show you the Carousel is almost half the bag of what the Moped is in height. So there you go. We have the Carousel, the Scoop, the Shimmy, the Slider, the Hopscotch, and the Moped here for you to compare in the sizes. What do you think? Which one's your favorite? I want to hear from you. Please comment below, and if you have any requests or questions, let me know. If you like my videos, click like and subscribe. Thanks!